I'd say the top would have been the TA sessions for me. It was very important to be able to have consultants just guiding, reviewing. It's very costly to have really good consultants, and the fact that I was able to have access to this for free through the Integrator Learning Lab to really build our network into what it should be is, it's just incredible.
And so having someone else whose job it is to know that, I don't know that I would have felt like we could have gotten quite as far without having that translation piece for us. And then also having people who were just dedicated to like knowing our project, like who knew what we were doing and knew what we were trying to accomplish and who we were and what our context was so huge. This stuff isn't applicable to us because we aren't urban and we can't do that, and we can't get those ends if we were going to do a study or do a survey. So having people who spent the whole time with us and got to know that was super helpful, as opposed to it being someone who just like kind of knew but didn't have the ability to directly apply stuff to us.
Both those sessions, for different reasons, were amazing because it made us rethink our approaches for sure. And so that's always good to say, have an outsider look at your work and say, here's what we see, people who are successful in what they do and have had, some movement.
The Integrator Learning Lab staff helped us to develop that retreat framework, engagement activities, and questions to ensure that we appropriately leveraged that strategic planning time together. It helped us reconfigure our approach to community engagement based on the expert advice that we got during the Integrator Learning Lab. And it helped us take some of those frameworks and build out conversations in a way that I don't believe we would have been able to do on our own.